Now students, we are going to start with the discussion of the question answers. With the discussion of the question answers of the gift of chappals. So here we are at today page number 28. So let us start with this page number 28. Okay, so see the question answers here. I'm going to share with you, that is, 1 minute please. So that is on page number 28, yes, the music master. Okay, so these questions we have to do. Okay, yes Bhavesh.
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत लो आ रही है.
I don't know why it is. Volume is still full and my mic is also near me. I'll speak louder. Okay, so the first question is, the music master is making lovely music. Read aloud the sentence in the text that expresses that idea. Okay, so now here in the book, as it is clearly mentioned, that his music notes, they float. It is on page number 23. Page number 23, this line is clearly mentioned. Okay, that the music notes, see, page number 23. Okay, so first of all, we will start from the question, how we will mention that the music master is making lovely music, and the lines that express this are, or the lines in the chapter, then you will put dash, then start. The music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody, and it was like the wheels of a train fitting smoothly into the rails and whizzing along. Okay, these lines clearly express that the music master is making lovely music. Okay, right? So next, afterwards, second question, has the beggar, 1 minute, wants to ask something. Yes, Natik.
मैम वो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दोबारा रिपीट करना.
It's on page number 23. The lines are clearly mentioned. The first question is, which lines explain that music master is making lovely music? On page number 23, it is given. See page number 23. The music master's notes seem to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody. And it was like the wheels of a train fitting smoothly into the rails and whizzing along, expresses the idea that music master is making lovely music. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That music master is making lovely music. Now coming up to the second question. The second question is, had the beggar come to Rukmani's house for the first time? Give reasons for your answer. So had the beggar come to Rukmani's house for the first time? No. Okay. So what? Okay, Prerna wants to speak. Okay, Prerna, let me explain. No, the beggar had not come to Rukmani's house. Okay. So the answer to the point should be, that is no. Okay. Second answer is, that is, it is no. No, the beggar had not come for the first time to Rukmani's house, and give reasons why. Because the beggar himself said that he had survived for 1 week because of Rukmani's kindness. Because the beggar had himself told the children, Ravi and Ridu, that he had survived, how he had survived for more than 1 week. Because of what? Because of Rukmani's kindness. It is just because of her kindness that he was surviving. Okay? And when Rukmani was tired of beggar, because beggar was coming again and again to her house, she She announced that, what she has announced that, tell this beggar, she announced to tell the beggar to find another house. Okay, to tell what? To tell the beggar what? To find another house today. Both these lines, they tell us another house today. It means this today shows. Okay, today means this today. It means that today means it means that the beggar is not coming for the first time to their house. Okay, the beggar has not come for the first time to their house. Right? So the answer is clear. I again repeat, no, the beggar had not come to Rukmini's house for the first time, as the beggar himself announced, or he has himself told to the children that he had survived for 1 week he had survived for 1 week due to Rukmini's kindness. And when Rukmini was tired of the beggar who is coming to her house daily, she announced the children, mute yourself everybody. She also announced to tell the beggar to find another house today. That means that the beggar had not come for the first time to their house. So the next question is, a sharp V line had formed between her eyebrows. What does it suggest to you about Rukmani's mood? V-shaped line, what it means? What it means? A V-shaped line formed between her eyebrows. This shows that Rukmani was very angry. That Rukmani was very angry. Third answer, that she was very angry and she is going to lose her temper. Going to lose her temper. This is the only answer, that she is going to lose her temper. Right? Now, coming up to the next page, see here, this one we will do afterwards. This first question, we are going to focus upon second question. Now, the second question is, describe music master or music teacher as seen from the window. So again, it is clearly explained here what kind of music master's figure was. Come up to page number 22. On page number 22, it is clearly mentioned, okay, that music master, see here, in front of her with most of his back to the window was the bony figure of the music master. It means music master has bony figure. Okay, so what it means, that music master has bony figure, mostly bald-headed, with a fringe of oiled black hair falling around his ears, with a fringe of oiled black hair falling around his ears, and an old-fashioned tuft. He was wearing a gold chain around his neck. Okay, so next he was wearing gold chain around his neck, and a diamond ring on his finger, and a diamond ring on his hand was ringed with a diamond. Okay, just write down in which manner you want to write. And a diamond ring on his finger. He was dressed up in gold border. He was dressed up in gold bordered vesti edge. This is clearly mentioned in the passage too. Gold bordered vesti edge. Right? So all these points you have to include in your answer. Right? Describe music teacher as seen from the window. Okay, that his hair was tied up into an old-fashioned tuck. He was wearing a gold chain and a gold chain around his neck and a diamond ring on his finger. And he was also dressed up in gold-bordered vesti edge. Write down this answer. Next, third question. Third question. Now, first part, what is the question? First of all, let us see. What makes Mridu conclude that the beggar has no money to buy chappals? So, how do you think she comes to know? Mridu found or Mridu makes or may conclude. Okay, Suhana wants to speak. Yes, Suhana.
Yes, ma'am. Mridu concludes that the beggar has no money to buy chappals. After seeing the beggar's condition of his feet, the beggar's feet were blistered and he was barefoot.
And he was
Barefoot.
very good. Okay. So he was barefoot. Yes, very good. You can write down in this manner. Mridu concludes, first of all, from the question, Mridu concludes that the beggar has no money to buy chappals as he was, or at present, sorry, present tense, as he is barefoot and his feet are covered with blisters. Covered with blisters, showing his poor condition. Covered with blisters, what it shows? Showing his poor condition. Showing his poor condition. What it shows? It shows blisters showing his poor condition. So, this answer is clear to you, right? So, next afterwards, the second part, what does she suggest to show her concern? What does she suggest? Then afterwards, what she suggested to give him an extra or an old pair of chappals. Mridu, who was very kind-hearted, okay? Mridu is very kind-hearted. Mridu is kind-hearted and suggested what? To give what? An old pair of chappals. Is very kind-hearted and suggested to give an old pair of chappals to the beggar. Mridu is very kind-hearted and suggested to give an old pair of chappals to the beggar. An old pair of chappals to the beggar. Yes. I hope that the answer is clear. Okay. So next one, coming up to question number 4. Have you children? She began, and then seeing they were curiously quiet, went on more slowly. Seeing anyone lurking around the veranda. What do you think Rukmani really wanted to ask? What she really wanted to ask Do it here on the book. Do this question on the book only. What she actually wanted to ask? She actually wanted to ask about chappals because she was looking for chappals. That's the reason why she asked, is anyone has come and has seen the chappals? Okay. So you can write down that she actually wants to ask about chappals. Next, why did she change her question? She changed her question because she thought that the children had become serious. Okay, she changed her question because she thought that the children had turned out to be serious or had become serious and were quiet. Children had become serious and quiet. This is the reason. Next, third, you will do this question. I'm again repeating on the book only. Third, what did she think had happened? So what did she think had happened? So what did she think? She thought that the children, they might have hidden the chappals somewhere. Okay. So she thought that children might have hidden the chappals somewhere, or the children might have hidden the chappals. Right, that the children might have hidden the chappals. Right. So again, I'm repeating, question number 4 is to be done only on the books. Next, question number 5. On getting Gopu Mama's chappals, the music teacher tried not to look too happy. Why? Why the music teacher did not want to reveal his happiness? You know, because the chappals were an old pair and he has got a new pair of chappals of Gopu Mama. Okay, so write down. I'm rubbing the board for your convenience. This is question number 5. Answer, because the music teacher has got a new pair of chappals. In spite of or instead of his old and torn pair. Instead of his old and torn pair of chappals. Okay, instead of his old and torn pair of chappals. Moreover, and he had also lied about his. He had spoken false things. He had also lied about what? About his pair of chappals. He has lied about his old pair of chappals. He has also lied about his old pair of chappals. So once again, I repeat that he did not want to reveal his happiness because he has got a new pair of chappals instead of his old pair of chappals. Moreover, his chappals were old and torn pair. Okay, and he also lied about his pair of chappals. So this is the reason why he did not want, or he did not try to look too happy. Clear this answer? Put your thumbs up if yes. Okay, right. Fine. Next, afterwards, question number 6. On getting a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute. Why was he in such a hurry to leave? Why he immediately left? He left because he has got a new pair of chappals. He has got a pair of chappals, and moreover, children, they have, without permission of the elders, they have given it to the beggar. Okay, so write down why the beggar left immediately. So you can start from the question. On getting a pair of chappals or a gift of chappals, the beggar vanished in a minute because he had got a pair of chappals. Why? To save himself from scorching heat. To save himself from what? Scorching heat. Very much heat. Too hot. Scorching heat. As he has to save himself from scorching heat, and the children had given them without permission. Children had given these pair of chappals or had given them without permission. Children had given them this pair of chappals without permission of the elders. He has given it without permission of the elders. So this point must be included in your answers. Right? Now, coming up to the last question that we have to do today. Next question, see, that is on the next page. Question number 7 is walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena. Rukumani began to laugh. What made her laugh? Because she has given Gopu Mama's chappals. Okay, so she thought that what she would tell to Gopu Mama. Okay, so write down. Walking towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena, Rukmani began to laugh because she was thinking what excuse she would give. She was thinking of an excuse she would give to whom? To Gopu Mama. What excuse she would give to Gopu Mama. And she was also thinking that how Gopu Mama would look without chappals. 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 So she was laughing while moving towards the kitchen with Mridu and Meena. Right? Now, till here, I think clear. Tomorrow we will discuss the back exercise, and these questions you have to do in your notebook. I again repeat that you need not to write question number 4 in the notebooks. Okay.